What is going on, YouTube? Big money gooch right here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, if you don't know what I'm saying, you better learn. You better ask somebody, okay? Today I'm going to be talking about DBG to the I, okay? All right, DBGI, Digital Brands Group, okay? Digital Brands Group, okay? I'm going to be talking about DBGI, and I will show y'all. I just felt lucky, you know what I'm saying? So I bought me a little 777, casino. 7777, you know what I mean? And I'll show you right now. Oh man, it's going up. I bought me 777 shares of DBGI, you know what I mean? Okay, DBGI is a clothing company, and let me get to the point. If you know about DBGI, you've heard about Sundry, okay, what I'm saying? Okay, DBGI signs and secures debt for Sundry, okay, $2.5 million debt, okay? Debt provider sets closing date for December 23rd. Friday is going to be a big, big day, okay? Okay, it's cold outside, but that's why I got the beanie on my hat, you know what I mean? Beanie on my hat, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I can take my hat off or I could leave it on, you know what I'm saying? Beanie for my hat, you know what I mean? Okay, you learn something new every day if you didn't know to put a beanie on your hat, you know what I mean? Okay, but all right, let's talk about it. DBGI Brands Group, Digital Brands Group. A curated collection of luxury lifestyle digital-first brands today announces that it has signed and secured the debt documents that will provide the remaining funding for the Sunnyside Sundry acquisition. The debt provider set Friday, December 23rd. They pushed the date back last week for some odd reason, but who cares, you know what I'm saying? To give more people better time to get in when they fit in, you know what I mean? Get in for a lower price before it shoots to the moon. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you, stop listening to people when they tell you to the moon, okay? If somebody says to the moon about a stock, they're selling you a dream, do your own DD, okay? I'm going to get into it. We're already 2 minutes in. Some of y'all left already, but guess what? The fundamental story. When stocks become short squeezed, the investors abandon looking at the fundamental story. The market cap of DBGI is $2.3 million, yet the company is expected to generate close to $30 million in revenue this year. So at the end of the year, they will have $32.3 million, okay? That's the fundamental side, okay? The threat of going private, okay. John Hilburn is the CEO, the owner, right? And he has threatened that after their acquisition is completed and they have no debt to Sundry, if his stock price can't stay at a reasonable amount, then he will go private because he's not making any money on investors, okay? And when you have a company, you want to make money on investors. You don't want your investors to make money on you. Well, at least to begin with, all right? But let me go to it. On the latest earnings call, the CEO of DBGI, John Hilburn Davis is what his name is, indicated that if the stock price didn't cooperate, the company would very much consider an offer to go private. He indicated that private company multiples were alive and well and fetching a multiple of 1.5 on the lower end. And 1.5x, okay, meaning 1.5x on his money, you know what I mean, okay? But on the low end too, that's on the low end. He expects much higher than that, but 1.5 is a good start, you know what I mean? If you don't pay $5 for Robinhood, you only get 1.5 interest rate on your returns. I pay $5 a month on it, so I get 3%, but whatever, you know what I mean? Hilburn stated, "Why stay public if you can't raise money or do acquisitions?" He basically said that the company is worth $45 million right now when the market cap is only $3.3 million, okay, or $83 a share. If the stock continues to stay at depressed levels, he said that he would entertain offers to go private to continue his acquisition of new brands, okay? The company slumped almost 30% after the apparel e-commerce platform priced a $10 million public offering of 168,000 common shares at $5.50 apiece, okay, or nearly 24% below Monday's closing price. Investors also receive Class B 5-year warrants to buy around 1.8 million shares exercisable at $5.25 each, and Class C 13 months also exercisable at $5.25 per share, okay? And this is all on the NASDAQ, okay? You go on the NASDAQ and look, it's free, okay? It ain't no Discord, but I've been in a couple Discords for the free trials and then realized, who wants to pay somebody else to give you information when you could just watch it for free on YouTube, or download Stocktwits, or download Reddit, or download MarketWatch, or download the stock tracker. Everything they're doing, you could do, okay? Okay, instead of paying them, pay yourself, man. Okay, let me tell you, DBGI has all of its elements set up of a super squeeze. All of the elements in setup for a super squeeze. In a worst case scenario, the fundamental value of the stock is somewhere between 25 to 83, which means 450 is a bargain. That's what it says, all right? If S1 doesn't become effective in time, it makes no sense for the company to pursue the acquisition, which means no shares will be coming on the market until they can identify another target. This news will create the parabolic squeeze because with only 540,000 shares of supply, this low floater could go into low Earth orbit. As always, do your own due diligence, and figure out your exit points beforehand, because when the squeeze happens, you won't have time to think. Okay? Now, I'm going to be doing a lot of looking into, okay? Bam, bam, bam. Okay, I like DBGI, you know what I mean? Because DBGI, I'm pretty sure DBGI is a Texas company, you know, and I love my Texas company, you know what I mean? Okay, let's see. Digital brands. I'm going to see, though. I might be talking about CEI. California. Whatever, man. Forget California, man. If you're from California, though, you know, we love you over here. Not really. Don't come to Texas. We don't love Californians over here with y'all's COVID mask in the car and... You know what I mean. Oh, yeah, weirdos. Come over here in your Tesla and stuff, but whatever, you know what I mean? I like Tesla. Elon Musk to the moon, you know. Dogecoin to the moon, okay? But I'm going to tell you right now, close this video off, but I want to let y'all know, like I said, look in the description. If you made it this far, thank you very much. I love you all. Look in my description because I will be putting free apps that you could talk to people just like Discord, but it's free, you know. And I might make a Discord for us to keep in touch on the low end of people. Like low end meaning 1,000 people won't be in it. I won't allow that because they'll be blowing the phone up all day. Oh, look in the CEI. Oh, look in the SRT, or look in the GHG, or look in the JJJ, or you know what I'm saying. We want to keep it at maybe 100 people, so you tell me, hey, DBGI it's going, hey, look at the news, you know what I mean? Friday, blah, blah, you know what I mean? And we keep in touch. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now. If you're invested in DBGI, leave a comment. Tell me what your average price is. Tell me how many shares you got. Tell me what your target price is. My target price is from $10 to $15. If I see it hit $10, I'm gonna really, who knows, I might sell it all and move to the next. But I'm gonna keep updated on a lot of penny stocks. And if you want any, I'm not only invested in penny stocks, first of all, let me get that out there. But if you want me to show you other stocks, leave a comment and let me know what to look into, okay? Until then, this is big money, gooch. And until then, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. All right? Okay.